Okay guys, we are going to practice some long division today because I know that when we are not doing it all the time that sometimes we can forget the steps. So I thought I would play the song. It's a little bit longer one, but I thought that you might like to hear it and sing along.
Your Grace, we have the prisoner.
Bring him forth.
He's accused of holding classes in the forest, Your Grace. He's been teaching the peasants.
Teaching them? Teaching them what?
I'm teaching them math, Your Grace, long division.
Teaching them black magic and sorcery?
No, Your Grace, it's
Long division? Throw him in the pit of doom.
You do know what long division is, right, Your Grace?
Of course I know. I'm the king. But explain it to me anyway.
I'll go warm up the pit, Your Grace.
Don't forget your motions.
Let's divide 745 by 6. First, we set it up like this. Then follow the steps for one digit now. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. I divide 6 into 7 first, and I know 6 fits inside 7 one time. So I write 1 up top and keep it in line with the 7. Since that's the one I divided, then I multiply 6 times 1, that's 6. I write it down below here, son.
You call me son?
The next part is fun. I subtract 7 minus 6 and I get 1. The party's not over now. I need to bring the next digit down. I bring the 4 down beside. I see 14. And now's the time to repeat these steps again, my kin. You get it?
I think I'm following.
6 into 14 is 2 times, then 2 times 6 is 12. Oh my. 14 minus 12 is 2, so we write it and bring down the 5.
I'm getting excited.
6 into 25 goes 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24, no lie. When we subtract, we have 1 left over.
Throw it in the pit of doom.
No. It's called the remainder. We write it like this on the paper. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. That's how we do long division now. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. That's how we do long division now. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down.
This magical long division spell must be outlawed.
Nah, it's
not magic, it's mathematics.
This is just one approach, but it's a classic. Let's check our work and see if it sticks. We think 745 divided by 6 equals 124, remainder 1. I could rewrite that as multiplication. First I multiply in the ones place, then the tens place, then hundreds, okay? Ooh, look at that. What I found, it's 744. But now add the 1, the remainder, 745. That means 100 groups of 6 fit inside, plus 20 groups of 6 are combined, and 4 groups of 6, oh my. Then 1 is left over like this.
Your Grace, we warmed up the pit.
That's long division, and if you like, you can join us in the forest every Friday night. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. That's how we do long division now. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down. That's how we do long division now. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring it down.
I have learned a lot about long division. But throw him in the pit of doom anyway.
All right, hopefully that was a good reminder for you. I'm going to do just a quick overview, and maybe it's not going to let me. Well, it does when I'm recording. Well, why isn't it letting me do that, guys? Let's try again here. Oh, it stopped working. That could be it. Let's give this another try here. Close. Let's get these out of the way. Troubleshooting. Here we go. Okay. So let's take just a random number here. And we're dividing. Let's divide by 3. And I just want to go through it once and talk a little bit about remainders, and then we'll be done. So we divide first. 3 goes into 4 one time. Divide, multiply. Remember, we can pretend like there's a little multiplication symbol there. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract and bring it down. Then you start all over again. Division. How many times does 3 fit into 13? We know that 3 times 4 is 12. Multiply, subtract, and then bring the next number down. And once again, we ask ourselves, how many times does 3 fit into 12? 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract and bring it down. And we're not done yet. We can't have the remainder be larger than the number that we're dividing by, the divisor. And so we ask ourselves again, 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Now I'm running out of room. We subtract and we get 0. That means our answer is 1,443. Now, let's say we get the answer 573 remainder 2. Okay, over here. You can write that in that way, or if you're dealing with fractions, and let's say you're dividing by 9, okay, and you get 573 and your remainder is 2, then you would take the remainder, that's your numerator, and then whatever this number is your denominator. Okay, so that's just a quick reminder about long division. I encourage you to practice this a lot this week.